Raju is a senior citizen who had recently retired from his job and received a large sum of superannuation money which he wanted to invest. One day, Raju received a call from someone pretending to be the employee agent of a reputed bank, advertising a new scheme with a high interest rate.
Hello, are you sure I will get a 9% interest rate? Because no bank is giving more than 7.1% interest.
Yes, sir, this is a special scheme for a limited period only.
Okay, I will visit the bank and open a fixed deposit.
Sir, our bank will send a representative to your home since you are a senior citizen.
No, I can't hand over my money to an unknown person.
Sir, there is no need to hand over any money. You just need to give a crossed check. I will ensure that your money is not withdrawn by cash and deposited only in the fixed deposit account.
Okay, tell him to collect the check.
The fraudster visits Raju's home to collect the check and takes signatures on different forms, which Raju does not check before signing. The fraudster poses as a representative of Raju and uses the overdraft form signed by Raju, which has fraudster's account number for credit of the overdraft. After a day, the fraudster visits the branch as a representative of Raju and deposits the check for creating a fixed deposit. However, he gave fake fixed deposit receipts to Raju and kept the original ones with himself. After a day, Raju got an SMS regarding an overdraft issued against the FD, and upon visiting the branch, he was shocked to know that the FD receipt he had received was fake.
Do not hand over important documents or checks to unknown person. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.